Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Aaron Smith, and today we're going to be making Jiffy cornbread. You're probably thinking,
I can make Jiffy cornbread at home.
I just put it in a little bowl and give it a little whisk, and bam, I've got Jiffy cornbread. But no, you're wrong. You can make it better. And how are you going to make it better? I'm going to show you how to make it better. Let's go.
So to start off this cornbread, you will need 2 boxes of Jiffy cornbread, the kind that your grandma gets. Just dump that in a bowl like so. Easy. Bam. Another bowl for our wet ingredients. We'll be using 3 eggs. Now the recipe doesn't call for eggs, but I'm adding eggs to add like that extra richness, and they're gonna help make it fluffy. I've also got 1 cup of buttermilk. Whisk that together with the eggs and 1 tablespoon of honey. Give that another little whisk. So to take this Jiffy cornbread to the next level, bro, add butter. It's gonna be nice and moist and buttery and soft and better than your grandma's.
I can cook better than your grandma. I can cook better than your grandma. I will throw down against your grandma any day of the week.
Y'all are probably thinking, why is he doing all this? Why has he got to be extra? Why has he got to add butter to Jiffy? Jiffy's already good the way it is. Wrong. Everything can always be better. Always striving for excellence. So I got my wet mixed. I slowly incorporate my wet ingredient into my dry ingredient, mixing thoroughly, making sure there are no dry clumps. The only clumps you'll probably see are the clumps of butter, and that's okay. Don't worry about that. So I've got a cast iron skillet. I've took 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil. If you don't have grapeseed oil, you can use canola oil. Grapeseed oil just has a neutral taste. Doesn't taste oily, doesn't taste greasy. Pour it into the cast iron skillet. Place that in a preheated oven of 400 degrees. So as I start pouring my cornbread into my cast iron, it's literally deep frying it. Break that at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes and then drop it down to 375 degrees for another 15 to 20 minutes. And then you're left with this delicious golden brown, perfect crust, crunchy edges, soft and moist in the middle. Perfect, delicious Jiffy cornbread. That is just amazing.
Thank you again for watching, taking the time out to watch this video. Make this recipe. Let me know what you think. Like, share, subscribe. Talk to y'all soon.